the channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are set for a new road trip, and here the first stop is for breakfast. We are on the national highway from Bangalore to where? Pondicherry. So we are stopped at the Horsur for the breakfast. यहाँ पे ये कौन सा मैकडोनल्ड्स भी है,
मतलब आउटर पे है हम लोग, बस सोचा वहीं पे खाएंगे, बट यहाँ पे अच्छा एक रेस्टोरेंट पता था।
या तो द फर्स्ट ऑफ द डे इज़ फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट। बगल में मैकडी भी है और यहाँ पे एक साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट भी है। तो वी वर लाइक विच वन टू चूज नाउ, बट इसने अभी अभी मुझे समझाया नहीं, सुबह सुबह ब्रेड नहीं खाते हैं।
तमिलनाडु में वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट, तो
देन व्हाट इट इज फॉर। So this is going to be a super cool road trip from Bangalore to Pondicherry. We all are going to have great fun. So stay tuned. Come with us. Shall we go? चले?
ब्रेकफास्ट करने।
तो लंबा है यार, मुझे कैमरा को ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ता। Okay, people, we are done with the breakfast.
कॉपी कितना करती है ये मेरे ब्लॉग का कॉपी कर रही है, देखो यार ये गलत है।
अभी हमने ब्रेकफास्ट किया श्री कृष्णा इन।
कैमरा क्वालिटी बढ़ाया है लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट अभी भी चुरा रही है मेरे पास से, देख लो यार तुम लोग।
श्री कृष्णा होटल में ब्रेकफास्ट किया, लेकिन द ब्रेकफास्ट वाज नॉट दैट ग्रेट। जो बैंगलोर में ब्रेकफास्ट मिलता है उतना अच्छा कहीं नहीं मिल सकता। द इडली वाज एवरेज। आई थिंक ही वाज गोना टेक अवे माय फोन। तमिल के रहने वाले हैं?
तमिल।
अच्छा, आप हिंदी बोलते हैं?
हिंदी नहीं, ओनली तमिल।
मैनेजेबल।
हाँ,
हिंदी ऊपर।
इंग्लिश आता है मतलब यहाँ के नेटिव लोग।
हाँ, इंग्लिश का घुमा पड़ेगा।
भयंकर गर्मी है ना?
यहाँ पे भी गर्मी है।
जास्ती।
हाँ।
तमिलनाडु में
पौंडीचेरी में कैसा है?
सुपर।
धूप ज्यादा नहीं है?
वेल नहीं, कमी
हाँ, less।
கடல் ना बीच।
हाँ हाँ
அதனால கொஞ்சம் கூலிங்।
हाँ, cooling।
இப்போ பாண்டிச்சேரி போறீங்க, பாண்டியா?
हाँ हाँ।
पांडिचेरी।
Yes, there is one interesting fact that we have found, that there is a fort. There is a fort at the top. And पता नहीं उन लोगों ने कैसे बांधा होगा। We can even see उसका पैराफिट है अगल बगल में।
अगर एक भी पत्थर हिला ऊपर से सीधा यहाँ के पत्थर भी हिल जाएंगे।
Like we never imagined that this is going to
वहाँ
be
पे
the-
मंदिर है एक।
हाँ, guys, finally we are in Pondicherry and we have entered the city. We did not go to our hotel. Our hotel is in the White Town. White Town is the area where, I mean, like, it's the French colony. So we are staying in one of those hotels, but we were very hungry, so we stopped at this hotel. ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा है यार, हम यहाँ पे भी रुक सकते हैं actually. But this is not like, हाँ, this is not like side to the beach. Those are the restaurants which are like near to the beach. So this is a good restaurant. It's Surguru. One can stay here if they want to, or else they can come for the lunch.
प्रमोशन ही कर देते हैं।
It's an unpaid promotion. चले, तुझे vlog बनाना? Guys, we are finally in Pondicherry and this is our stay for next one day, I think, because tomorrow we are going to one more resort. This is Dumas guest house. This is like the one quarters which was built during the French time. So let's go.
अरे दिखाना है
I'll
यार।
take you along. So welcome to like a house for next one. This is the reception area. From here, this is like really a kind of iconic spot which has a wall ceiling, a neighborhood ceiling. So let's go. Let's go. We'll just go to the back area where we can do some good things. I mean, where some nonsense and stuff. This is a nice one. मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये चीज़. I mean, like this architecture is very good, especially in the night if it is lit up. These bulbs would. The bulbs would look good. And then this is the last part. There are a few more villas even in the last part. This is one more villa. This is villa number 2. Yeah, भाई काफी अच्छा. Like, look at these. These are so good. This is probably villa number 3.
ऊपर जा सकते हैं क्या?
This is our. What I can
पूछ के
say.
चले गए ऊपर?
कहाँ पे?
ऊपर छत पे.
यहाँ ऊपर जा सकते हैं?
Yeah.
Are you serious? So this is our what I can say. This is our villa tour. We'll straightly head to our room now because we want to take a small nap where we both can rest for some time. Even like Amma are already into the room because they want to take a small nap so that we can head to beach by evening for the sunset. तो तुझे जाना है ऊपर? देख यहाँ पे ताला लगा हुआ है, हमको कूद के जाना पड़ेगा.
यहाँ पे कुत्ते का साइन है बट ये अंदर घुसी थी. वापस बचा के लेके आया है मैं. इसको तूने एडिट किया खबरदार. मैं वापस डालूंगा इसको.
Actually, the property inside is more beautiful than this. तो मुझे लगा कि यार, like the door was open, so I thought let's go. I mean, like let's go and see what if it. I'll share the details of this resort definitely in my location. We are staying in the White Town area, which is popularly known for its streets, which are kind of French. It was a French colony once upon a time. So this is very very crowded. That is the only disappointing thing कि पौंडीचेरी में बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है. एंड पता नहीं गूगल पापा ने कहा था कि यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है. इट इज़ क्लाउडी. बारिश तो बहुत दूर की बात है. इट इज़ टू crowded and too hot. If anybody coming in this month, please don't come. Come after June, guys. मुझे ऐसा भागना बहुत अच्छा लगता है हाथ में कैमरा पकड़ के. We are there. Hello, Pondi. It's nice.
तो हम लोग गोवा तो विजिट कर ही चुके हैं बट ये मुझे.
Hey guys, I was ended the vlog when we were on the beach, when me and Krishna were come on the beach. After that we headed back to the hotel where we took a nap. Then now we were again come back to the rock beach, but the rock beach is too crowded. So we are going till our hotel so that we can go to a sand dune beach. So let's go to sand dune beach if it is less crowded. I'll tell you the place where we are staying. It is in the middle of the White Town. So much of happening. People are singing on the street. People are selling. There is shops. It's like Church Street of Bangalore. गाइस नाइट में एडवेंचर कर रहे हैं हम लोग. दिक्कत ये हुई कि रॉक बीच में भीड़ बहुत थी. So we thought we should go to Sand Dune Beach, which is on the Paradise Beach. I mean, like, which is near the Paradise Beach. If I'm not wrong, correct me. But यहाँ आते आते सूरज ढल गया, sunset हो गया, and it is dark. And like you can look at the traffic behind. तो हमारी जो गाड़ी है, that we parked around 200 meters away, and we are simply walking to the beach. This is a sand dune beach. We're like, let's simply go sit on beach for some time and we can take an exit from there. I just hope it will be a good one. Guys, we are at the Coromandels Cafe, which is the most recommended place on Google for cafes in Pondicherry, but it full है, बहुत ज़्यादा crowded है. Hey guys, we are back to the same restaurant where we were come in the afternoon, because when we were been to that Coromandel Cafe, first it was too crowded, so we did not get a place to sit. After a point we got to know that they are closed. They were just giving takeaway for pastry, so we got one pastry, we had it in the, like, we just kept eating on the way when we were coming out. Then from there we came to this cafe, the same one, the Surguru, which we were coming off. This is really a good restaurant in Pondicherry if you're here. But यार अच्छा नहीं लगा. We travel a lot. We have traveled many states. But Pondicherry is that one place which is very crowded, and here there are only students which come from Bangalore, I think.
इतना ज़्यादा डिटेल देने की वैसे तो ज़रूरत है नहीं, बट ये देगी.
हाँ नहीं, I mean this is not fun. You can just find students in mass walking on the street.
वीकेंड्स पे आ रहे हो तो मत ही आओ, वो बेटर है.
खते मत आओ. It's like too
अगर तुम्हें भीड़ भाड़ वाली जगह पसंद है, यू कैन कम. तो मैं गोवा मिल जाए. If you want to stay for next one day,
probably I'm going to end the vlog here today because I'm very tired. I just want to go to room, crash for the day. We'll go for sunrise in the morning tomorrow. I'll take you guys along. So till then, stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.